Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to stop apps tracking your activities. So it is very easy and simple. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the settings app. Here, once you come to the settings, you need to scroll all the way down until you see privacy and security. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on privacy and security, you can see the tracking option. Simply tap on it, and here you can see the option allow apps to request to track. Simply just turn this option off. Here you can see another pop-up will appear. What you need to do is simply allow apps to continue tracking, or you can just simply stop the tracking. So that's how you can stop tracking. So that's how you can stop tracking apps your activities. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.